Ford Pro Telematics with Dashcam is designed for quick, simple installation in both Ford and non-Ford vehicles. In the box you'll find the dashcam and mounting bracket. Here's the road-facing camera. On this side is the cabin-facing camera and touchscreen. You can press this red button at any time to record live events. The camera comes with a SIM card installed and a 128GB SD card behind this tamper-proof cover. You'll also get a Torx key, a safety sticker, a wipe for cleaning the windscreen, an OBD2 harness cable, a set of OBD2 adapters for different vehicles, and zip ties for securing things. Let's get started. Inside your vehicle, locate the OBD2 connector, which is often behind a panel down by the driver's left or right knee. Then, release the OBD2 connector from its housing by pressing on the sides and pushing it out or down. Leave the connector hanging. Now, let's test the camera. Grab the OBD2 cable that came with your kit and connect the female OBD plug to the connector you left hanging. At the other end, connect the Molex plug to the camera. The camera is now powered and will initialize. When you see the vehicle icon, press the touchscreen and enter the default PIN number, 3333. Then press Live View and use the rotate button in the top right to toggle between road and cabin views. Using the Torx key, loosen the screw at the camera mount so you can rotate the base, ready to fix to the windscreen. Also, unplug the Molex cable to keep it out of the way. Position the camera on the windscreen so it gives a clear view of the driver's upper body and the road. You can find examples of appropriate mounting locations in the installation guide. Depending on your vehicle, the best spot could be on the driver or passenger side, or even below the rear view mirror. The dashcam should not obstruct the driver's vision. Once you've picked the spot, clean the area with the alcohol wipe and let it dry completely. Don't worry about streaks, you can clean them off later. Now you're ready to mount the camera. Peel off the backing from the mounting bracket. Press the dashcam to the windscreen and hold it for 30 seconds. Remove the camera, check the mounting is secure, then clean the windscreen with a soft cloth. On the driver's side pillar, loosen and remove the trim panel. Run the cable up the pillar using the clips inside to help secure it. Continue along the windscreen, carefully tucking the cable into the channel behind the headliner. Reconnect the Molex connector to the camera cable. Finally, tuck the connectors and remaining cable into the headliner and reattach the trim. Now you've run the cable, let's secure the connection at the OBD2 connector. Next, from the OBD2 adapters that came with your kit, take the one that fits the male connector and slide it on. Take the two small C-clips from the kit and attach them on both sides of this connector. Be sure to insert them fully. Snap the connector into position to replace the original factory OBD2 connector. Coil the remaining cable and secure it under the dash with a zip tie, so it's clear of the driver's feet. Then, just replace the body panel and you're all done. For non-Ford vehicles without a supported modem, a plug-in device is required, connected with its own supplied cable. To complete the installation, you'll need to link the dashcam to your vehicle. To do this, log in to your Ford Pro Marketplace, find the Ford Pro Telematics with Dashcam tile, and click Manage Dashcams. On the pop-up, click Link Dashcams and your new device will be added to the list. Next, click on the device you want to link. Click the Link Vehicle button, choose the vehicle you want to link with the dashcam, and click Save. Now the install is complete, you can check your settings in Ford Pro Telematics. Select Fleet Settings from the upper right-hand menu and click on Driver Behavior Events to review your options. When an event triggers the dashcam, video is automatically uploaded to the cloud. and can be viewed on your telematics dashboard by selecting the vehicle's trip history. Now, with Ford Pro Telematics Dashcam, you have instant visibility of your fleet, helping to protect your drivers and your business. Got any questions? Email us at softwaresolutions@fordpro.com.